My name is Daniel Reyes, and I'm a practicing attorney with a specialty in real estate law. After years of grinding in the city, I finally bought my dream home on the edge of a quiet suburban neighborhood called Willow Creek Pines. It was supposed to be peaceful, just me and my rescue dog, Rusty. Rusty's a well-trained Labrador retriever. Friendly, calm, and everyone's favorite in the area. Or so I thought. Exactly 9 days after moving in, I came home to find an envelope taped to my front door. In bold red letters, it read, greater than notice of violation. Willow Creek Pines HOA violation, unauthorized aggressive dog on premises fine, $500. Due in 5 business days or legal enforcement will be pursued. There was no letterhead, no signature, just a vague Gmail address and a phone number. I was confused. I hadn't agreed to an HOA when I purchased this house. In fact, I'd specifically chosen a non-HOA neighborhood after seeing how power-hungry some associations could be. The next morning, I tried calling the number. It went to voicemail. I emailed. No reply. But just 2 hours later, 3 individuals showed up at my door. A tall man with sunglasses, a clipboard, a middle-aged woman with a fake-looking badge, and another guy holding what appeared to be a compliance checklist. The woman stepped forward confidently. Mr. Reyes, we're with Willow Creek Pines HOA compliance. We're here about the fine for your dog. It's due by Friday. I asked, who reported my dog? And why is there an HOA in a non-HOA community? She gave a smug smile. All new residents must comply. The community elected us last year. If you don't pay the fine, we'll file a lien on your home and possibly remove the animal. They had no idea who they were talking to. Interesting. I said, I'm a licensed attorney, and if what you're saying is true, I'm going to need a copy of your bylaws, registration with the county, and articles of incorporation immediately. Her face dropped. The tall man stepped forward and said, we'll have our lawyer contact you. I smiled. Please do. I'd love to meet them. They left without another word. The moment they walked off my porch, I got to work. Within hours. I checked county and state records. As I suspected, there was no HOA registered under Willow Creek Pines. The people who visited me, not listed anywhere as board members. The so-called compliance email was just a Gmail account tied to a Facebook group called Keep Willow Creek Clean. Turns out, they weren't an official HOA. They were just nosy neighbors pretending to be one, using made-up rules to control and threaten people into paying money. I wasn't their first target either. In the next few days, I quietly interviewed several neighbors. Most were elderly or new to the area. For people had already paid small violations over the past year, $150 for grass length, $250 for unauthorized paint color, and now my $500 dog fine. None of them questioned it. No one had legal knowledge to fight back. I filed a fraud report with the local sheriff. Then I compiled all my findings, screenshots of emails, voicemail recordings, photos of their badges, and testimonies from residents who had been intimidated or paid them. But I wasn't done. I filed a civil lawsuit in small claims court for harassment, fraudulent misrepresentation, attempted extortion, emotional distress. I named the 3 individuals who came to my door. I gotten their full names from neighbor reports and public property records. When the court summons went out, the bluffers were officially exposed. The woman, who called herself Compliance Officer Sharon, emailed me personally. We were just trying to maintain standards. If you drop the case, we'll waive your fine and apologize. I replied, there is no fine. Your apology can be given in front of a judge. Court day arrived. The courtroom was packed, not just with the defendants, but with curious neighbors who had been manipulated by their scheme. The defendants showed up in cheap suits with a lawyer they clearly hired last minute. Guy presented evidence that the HOA was never registered. Documents showing the neighborhood was legally non-HOA. Screenshots of their emails threatening fines and removals. Videos from a neighbor's Ring camera showing them delivering violation letters. Statements from multiple residents about the payments they made under fear. Their lawyer tried to claim it was all a community initiative, that they were just trying to keep the neighborhood beautiful. I countered, greater than you don't Need to impersonate a legal HOA, forge documents, threaten liens, or take money from people to keep things beautiful. What you did was fraud, pure and simple. Asterisk, the judge agreed. The ruling? Asterisk, they were fined $15,000 in damages and legal fees. Asterisk, a restraining order was issued preventing them from contacting any of the residents. Regarding violations, asterisk, they were ordered to issue a formal written apology to every household they threatened. Asterisk, but perhaps the most satisfying moment, asterisk, when the judge looked directly at the woman who tried to threaten Rusty and said, asterisk, greater than you picked the wrong person to bully. And thank God you did, or this scam might have continued unchecked. Asterisk, the case hit local news. Asterisk, fake HOA busted by local lawyer. Neighborhood scam ends in courtroom showdown. Asterisk, a few weeks later, a group of real residents formed a voluntary neighborhood watch with no authority to fine or punish, just to help and support. Asterisk, Rusty became a local hero, the dog that exposed a neighborhood scam. Asterisk, never blindly follow authority, especially when it's unverified. Asterisk, ask questions. Demand evidence. Know your rights. Asterisk, and if someone tries to scare you into silence, stand up, speak up, fight back. Asterisk, because sometimes the law doesn't just protect you. Asterisk, it is you. Asterisk.